So thank you for reminding me, no? Okay. Anyway, we'll have more items to solve. Okay, and so you can review that. Anyway, to review the process, we have continuously divide 132.45 until it becomes until the integer part becomes a 0. So the number, we count the number of divisions, and we know that it's 8. So 8 is the exponent. So basically, when we use dectobin to convert 8, you are given 1000. You can also count that yourself using the binary series. 1248. So this is 1248. So 1 times 8 times 0 times 4 times 0 times 2 times 0 times 1. Okay. They follow. So now, according to method 3, this is the method that we have discussed last meeting. Okay. According to method 3, we are going to lay out the binary series, and we are going to use the formula here. No? Equals that times the weight. Okay, so that when we mark, we'll get a sum right away. We just copy this. Okay, it's a 0 initially because we don't mark, and then we get the sum of all this. Okay, is that the sum? Yes, and then we'll just copy this initially. Hanggang ano lang tayo, no? And then we subtract. Equals this minus our sum. Okay? Do you follow? No? Do you follow? You can also use the traditional pick, mark, and subtract. So we have a 0.1517. What can we subtract from 0.517? We pick a choice. No? Do you follow? What can we subtract? We can subtract 0.5, right? Why? Because it's smaller than 0. When we mark this right away, we will know that we are left with this. No? How can we do this in bold? We're left with this. Can we do this in red also? Okay. Do you follow me? Do you follow? So, madali lang, no? It's easy because we have the right formula. Now, 0.017, what can we subtract? Can we subtract this? 0.25? No, because it's bigger. Okay, so we mark this as 0. 0.125, we also cannot subtract this because it's bigger. 0.06, this is still bigger. Do you follow? 0.03 is still bigger. Now, we expand this. Now, this is what? This is the one which we can subtract. Okay. Finally, we have a very small number. You can go on, but we have already demonstrated the point. Okay. So, we'll just concat this and pick it here. Equals concat. You follow? Any questions so far? So that's our what's the name of this? Andali lang, no? Positive number conversion solution. Conversion EX solve. If you just save this, no, I'm going to upload that because maybe the version you have there is an old version. Where's that? So this is our exponent and our mantissa. Let's go back to our exam. Okay. The answer is 1000, 10001. It's letter A. Tama ba, letter A? Do you follow? Everyone? Okay. Any questions so far? Any questions? Okay. We'll go to the next question. If you have no questions. Given the following number, okay, find We have the same problem, but we have a different number, 54.1628, different value. So we'll just copy this anyway. Just copy this. Number 2. The value this time is how much? 54.1628. Copy this. Okay. Erase everything first. Except we will not erase the formulas, okay? We'll erase the marks. Okay, do you follow? Now this is 54.1628. Just copy this. That's a string, so we'll have to 54.16. We have to retype. No? Can we just do an equals here? So that we can just copy this. Okay, so hanggang dito lang tayo. Did you get what I did? Did you follow what I did? Because this formula is the value divided by 2. And then if it's not a 0, we'll just equals to this. No? Do you follow? So equals to that. Until we cut off until we reach 0. Okay? So hanggang dito na. Yan. Do you follow? No? Do you follow? So how many times did we compute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our exponent is 6. No? Now it's 1, 1, 0. Okay? You just copy this. 1, 1, 0. Do you follow? It's the number 6. 4 plus 2. No? Okay? And then what we have is 0.84. We'll just copy this and paste the value. Also copy it again and paste it here. You follow? So never mind, it's still 0.84 because that's what our original value is. No? Any questions so far? Now we'll go back to our pick and mark. Okay, right? So 0.5 obviously is smaller than 0.8, so we can mark this. 0.34, 0.25 is smaller than 0.34, so we can mark this. Okay. 0.09. Sorry. This. While I'm listening to you. Just to put this into silent mode. Anyway, I'm sorry for the disturbance. No? Okay. But take note, it copies automatically. No? So we'll continue. We're left with 0.09, right? After deducting this. 0.09 is smaller than 0.125. So therefore, we cannot deduct this. Take note, if you make a mistake of marking this, our answer will become negative here, which will indicate that we made a mistake. So we just can immediately correct the mistake. Okay. Now we can mark this, right? Because 0.06 is smaller than 0.09. We can also mark this because it's smaller. Okay. And then we can also mark this. Do you follow? So our final value is 11011. We already have this because to use the concat formula. Okay? So our value, this is a 110 and 110, 11. Pareho lang naman sila. They're almost the same. 110 and 110, 11. So what do we have? Okay. 54, 110. I think there's may mali, no? Are we correct about this? 0, 110, no? Okay. Okay, so it's a none of the above, no? Let me check the answer for this, no? Okay, 54.6128. Kamali yung ating answer for this, no? Anyway, just go on with this, no? Basta the correct answer is 110. Let me check my other, no? Before. Zero 110, yes, 10. Did we make a mistake? No, mali, sorry. We made a mistake because this should be a, take note, we have a negative, right? We have a negative. Okay, this is bigger pala. No, 0, 0. I forgot that there's another 0, so this should be a 0. Okay, do you follow? So let's go back to our answer. It should be 110. There's no 110 anyway. Okay. 110, 110. Okay. Walang answer, no? 110, 110. But my answer is correct. I've verified it. So this is a none of the above. Is that correct? Wala ba tayong ano? Okay. Any questions so far? I have the same, my solution in Dagler is correct. No? I'm sure of that. No? Okay, do you follow now? We made a mistake last time because we marked this a 1 and we did not notice that our sum has already been negative. Okay, you just can go back anyway. Third, 58.1785. Nearest fixed point binary. Okay, this time we are not going to convert it into floating point, no? To a floating point. Okay, any questions so far? Because this time we cannot use this solution fully, but we can use it partially, no? Because 58.1785 is going to be converted into fixed point this time, no? So fixed point, not floating point. So this is easier, okay? This is easier. Just copy this. Number 3. Convert to fixed point binary. Binary ito, no? Binary. Sorry. What's that? I'm sorry, I'm not. Okay. Any questions so far? Binary to decimal is easier. Okay. Floating point, a fixed point, 54 point. It's not 54.1.68. It's 58.17. 58.1785. We'll just have to retype this. Kasi it will convert it into ano 1785. Okay, it will convert it into a string. It will do that in ano, it will just copy and paste. 1785. We have that already. I'm just going to expand this a little. So we already have a binary series, partial binary series. You can just copy this. No, sorry, Control C. You can copy this here. Okay, is that correct? We'll delete this first. Okay. Any questions so far? Do you follow? So we'll have a 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now 64 is no longer enough, no? Do you follow? It's already more than 58. So we can stop at this point, right? Baliktad tayo dito. Okay. Andyan, no? Do you follow? Okay, and then we'll just copy these formulas. Okay, and then we'll sum. You follow? We'll sum this. No. Dito lang. And then we'll sum all of it, no? Hanggang dito. Then we'll have to expand this so we can see the actual number. Okay, okay, do you follow? And then we'll minus. And then we'll turn this red and bold. Okay. So now we can start. Once we have laid out the binary series, we can now start the pick and mark process. Okay. So we pick 32. We're left with 26. Okay, everyone, we're left with 26. So we can pick 16 because it's smaller. We're left with 10. So therefore we will pick this because 8 is smaller than 10. We're left with 2, so we cannot pick 4. We can pick 2. Okay. We're left with 0.1785, so we cannot pick 1. Okay. We also can pick 0.5, right? It's here, it's smaller. This also, because if we pick it, it will become negative. So there's an error right away. No? Okay. And then can we pick this? Yes. Okay. Can we pick this? If you pick this, this will become negative. So we will not pick this. Okay. We can pick this, right? And we can pick this. Okay. Now we stop because we are at the 4th decimal place. Okay. So what's the answer to this? We'll just we'll just do a concat and put a binary place. Okay. Well, concat. First here because we cannot have a decimal place. No? And then it will be our decimal binary place. Set this to bold. So this is easier, no? Because you just have to lay out the binary series and then pick our answer from there. So what's number 3 ito, no? Mali pala ako sa kanina, no? Nung gipick ko kanina, I was looking at a different number. 54.168. Anyway, what's the answer? Wala talaga, no? I already have previously answered this, most probably, no? Okay. What's the answer? For number 3, we'll set this to bold. So we have 11010, 110, 110, 110, 111. That tatlong 1010. This is correct, no? And then we have 00. This is not correct. Okay. And then we have another 110, which is this 11010, 001. 0, 1, 1. This is the correct answer, no? Do you follow? 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Is that correct? Tama, no? Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. Now the next question is, given the following. Now we will use the same fixed point, no? Fixed point binary equivalent. Okay. But this time we lack decimal places because we reach 112. So our final value which should be 64. Okay. Any questions so far? No? We'll have to copy this, but we'll insert. We'll insert because we need a 64. Okay. Okay. Control X. Okay. We need a 64 here. So we'll copy this. Then we'll have to change the sum again. We follow? And then we'll have to delete the previous answer. Just a copy and paste. Take note, yeah, we have to extend the because the problem this time is requires us to have 112.4218, no? We'll just copy ko na lang, no? Sorry, I'll just copy this na lang and then convert it into a number. Okay. It's a number already, no? We know because it's a line, right? A line. Okay. Any questions so far? I'm just proceeding now. Okay. So we have laid out the numbers. So we are now ready to find our answer. Okay. We'll just delete this first because it may have the wrong answer. So we'll have a 64. So we have deducted a 64. So we'll have a 48. Okay. We left with a 48. We can deduct a 32. We left with a 16. So we can deduct a 16. 0.4. So we cannot deduct an 8. We cannot deduct a 4. A 2. We cannot also see it. A 0.5. A 0.5 is bigger than 0.42. So we cannot deduct this. But 0.25 is smaller. So we can now deduct. 0.17 is okay. 0.171 is bigger than 0.125, so we can deduct this. Okay. 0.04. Take note that this is now bigger, so if you mark a 1 here, it will become negative. Okay. 0.04. This is smaller, so then we can pick this. So one. How much do we have? Okay. This is our last, no? 0.15625. Okay. Now exactly we have a 0. Do you follow? Do you follow, everyone? So since we are like we have an exact 0, we have an exact answer. We just do an equals concat. Okay. So 1, 1, apat na 0, 4 zeros. Okay. 1, 1, 3 ones, 4 zeros. Is this the correct one? And 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Any questions so far? No? Okay. Any questions so far? No? So we'll proceed with the next problem. Okay. This is already the next problem, right? Yeah. Also convert to fixed point, but this is smaller. Fortunately, we can use the same matrix, no, the same worksheet, because this is smaller. We had 1, 1, 2. Okay. So maybe we can use the 58 part. Ito. Ah, 58. This is better. Okay. So it's okay to copy and paste as long as we know what the formulas are already. Okay. So you're allowed to do that in Excel as long as you know what the formulas are already. You know? So this time our number will be, sorry, bakit ito ganun? Our number will be 43.625. This should also be an exact number, okay? Okay. Unfortunately, we can use the same formula because 42 is bigger than 32, and the next number, which is 64, is already bigger than 43.65. Okay, so hopefully we can have the same. We can use the same worksheet, no? Okay, so shall we proceed? We can pick 32, right? Because it's smaller than 43. 11. So we have 11 here. We can pick 16 because 16 is bigger. We can pick 8. Do you follow? We can pick 8, so we pick it. We have a 3, so we cannot pick 4. Okay. We have a 2, so we have a 3, we can pick 2. Okay. We can also pick 1 because we still have 1.65. Okay. We can pick 0.5, right? Because this is smaller than 0.625. 0.125, this is not smaller, so we do not pick this. We have 0.125. Okay. Now we have a 0. Since we already have a 0, we can now stop, but we can just mark the others. So that we can have a complete answer like this, no? Up to the 6th binary place. It should not be a problem because you just fill up the remaining with zeros, okay? Okay, so our answer is 1011, 101011. Okay, so let's get the answer now. 43.625. We have 101011, 101, this one, and 101, 3 zeros. This is the okay. Any questions? We're supposed to have 8 of this, right? Anyway, we'll just copy and paste. Hopefully, no. Hopefully we can have copy and paste. So another 6 fixed point. No, this time we can't use our solution for number 5 because our number is 98, which is smaller. We can pick 64 right here. We can copy this, no? So this will become our. We'll just copy this, no? Anyway, we have the same table. This is number 6. Okay. Is this legal? Yes, of course, no? Because we can reuse the same formula. This time we have a different number. What's the number? 98. This is bigger number. Okay. Remove our marks. Okay. So we have the same set of formulas. You know how they are taken? This is just a binary series. No? 98. Can we pick 64? Of course, the next after 98 we'll have 128. It's already bigger than 98, so we don't consider it anymore. No, so we pick 64. We have a 34, so we can pick 32. Right? We're left with 2, so now we can mark this because these are useless. So 2 can be picked. We have a 4, 2, so we can mark this as 0 because it's useless. 0.5 is still bigger than 0.42, so we'll mark this as 0. 0.25 is already smaller, we can mark this as 1. Okay. 0.125 is smaller than 0.171, so we can mark this. We have 4, now this is bigger. If you mark this, it becomes negative, no? So we mark this as 0. Okay. 32. This is smaller, so we can mark this. Okay. 5, 6, this is equal, so we can mark this. We have an exact answer. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. We have an exact answer because our final result is a 0. Our final, ano. We have the same formula, so we can just copy this and then look at our, ano. So the answer is 1, 1 followed by 3 zeros. 1, 1 followed by 3 zeros. It's 3 zeros. 1, 0. So hindi ito pwede. No? 0, hindi na ito pwede. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is letter E. Okay. Any questions so far? 3 more. We have 3 more. Given the following fixed point binary number, we convert into decimal. Okay? We convert into decimal. Okay? So, baligtad na siya ngayon. This what number is this? This is our number 6. We are left with 2 numbers more. Madali lang ito, no? We can use ano? 7. Point binary number. Convert to decimal. Okay. What's the number? Okay. Put an ano? This will not ano. How many places do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need an ano? We need a bigger. We can copy this, no? We can copy this. Okay. Do you follow? No. Actually, we can actually copy this, no? There's no problem. Let's copy this na lang. Kung kulang yung binary place, we just have, how many binary places do we have? 6. So since we have 6, okay, it's okay, no? So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, tama ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Do you follow? Do you follow? Ang kailangan na lang natin is this sum, no? Sum natin ito. Okay? That will be the correct answer already. First, we'll erase this. Then we'll mark. Right away, we mark. We know we are given the number, so let's mark 1, 1, 1. Okay? 1, 1, 1. Dalawang zeros. Okay. 2 zeros, 1, 0. Do you follow? Okay. What's this again? Get 98375. It's not yet 9. Let's recompute this. I'm going to recompute this because it may be wrong. So just copied. Bakit 98.375? This should be our final answer. 1 times 64. Okay. 0, 0 muna natin ito, no? There's something wrong with this. No? Siguro pag-copy, no? The formula should be this times this. Oh. Mali yung ating formula na. No? Should be this times that. I'm just going to recopy the formulas, no? I'm sure okay. I'm sure this is correct, no? Because these are in correct formulas, right? Yes. Something happened when I copied the formulas. No? Any questions so far? So we have 1, 1. What's the question? Let me open the question again. 1110010. 1110010. Okay. And then we will have 0. Kulang tayo ng 6 decimal place. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 8. Kulang tayo because we need. Yeah, we haven't copied this. Let's copy this anyway. No? This one is equals this. Okay, kulang tayo. And then we'll copy this also. Okay. What do we have? 0, 1, 0, and all the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay. Then when we total 114, 114, 43. Let's check this out. Mali yata yung answer ko. My Daygler answer is wrong. No? Check. This is 111. The 114 is correct. And then you have 0. How much is this? What one? Let me just copy this. Ilang ones ba? Baka kulang ng isang 1, no? How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me paste it again. Five ones. Okay. 5 ones. Let me just review my formula. Mali ito. This is wrong. Yeah, mali ito kasi 1/32 is not this. Tama ba? No, tama pala, no? What's this divided by that? Divided by 2. Okay. So anyway, the correct answer is 114.4375. Okay. It's none of the above, no? None of the other choices. Okay, Rocky, you can leave a read. We have one more problem left, okay? There's a power interruption. I'm sorry about that. You can leave and you can watch this video. One more problem left. Okay. Because how many do we have? Yes, 8. This is the 8. Okay. Given the following binary number, find the nearest equivalent. Okay, we can use the same formula anyway now. We'll just bold this. It's number 8. The number is It's the number, no? Let me just copy it again, no? Because I've copied it to the wrong place. Wrong copy. Tama ba? Let's look at the formulas. The formulas are wrong, I think, no? Okay, mali. Kasi I've copied it by value. Okay. Just reconstruct the formulas. Anyway, we have time. Then we'll delete because it's not the correct value. Okay. Then we'll get a sum. Okay. This will be our answer here. So we have 1. Any questions so far? 1, 1, 1. No, mali, mali. This is the wrong. This should be the right one. It should be the right value, no? Okay. So we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Yeah. Tatlong ones, tatlong zero. So we miss it out. This is 0. Okay, kasi there are only 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No? So hindi kasali ang 64. 64 should not be included. Okay. I'm not going to erase it anymore. 1, 0, 0, 1. You follow? That's 58. Okay. We have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Ano ba? Tatlong ones after the decimal place. But why do you have this should be a 1. It should be a 1. I made a mistake now. I typed 2. No? Okay. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Tatlong ones, 2 zeros and 1. Okay, 1. After that, we'll have 3 ones, 2 zeros and 1. Okay. 57.890625. Okay. Do you follow? 890625. This is the answer. Okay. Do you follow? Any questions? I'll check the ano. You can answer it again, okay? So I think we're done at this point. I'm going to upload the solution again now. So this is the right answer. We'll bold this. Okay. Any questions so far? To solve it again, I'm going to this no longer have to check because this is correct. Okay. Okay. So anyway, we're done for today. I'm not going to introduce a new topic. I'm going to introduce you to a new topic next meeting, which is about subtraction. Okay. So anyway, we'll be able to finish this earlier than expected. So we will have our second test by a third week, no? Third week of September. Second formative test. So those who haven't taken the test, I'm going to set them up on Wednesday, okay? Yung ano, those who are supposed to take their second and third tries to get for a higher grade, okay? Any questions so far? Any questions? Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for coming, everyone. I'm going to upload this. No, this is number 8, by the way. No? So you have a lot of practice, no? You'll have a lot of practice tests. Okay. So see you next meeting, everyone. What happened to
Thank
this? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Study the, no, no.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.